Fashion in 2050 is likely to be defined by a combination of futuristic elements and sustainable design. With advances in technology and materials, we can expect to see clothing that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with features like built-in climate control and adaptive fabrics that change color and texture in response to the environment. At the same time, there is growing awareness of the environmental impact of the fashion industry, and many designers are already exploring more sustainable design practices. In the future, we can expect to see clothing made from recycled materials, biodegradable fabrics, and other eco-friendly materials that minimize waste and pollution. Another trend that is likely to shape fashion in 2050 is the rise of customization and personalization. With 3D printing and other technologies, it will be possible to create clothing that is tailored to the individual with a perfect fit and unique design that reflects their personal style and preferences. This will allow people to express their individuality in new and exciting ways, and could even lead to the creation of entirely new fashion subcultures. Overall, the future of fashion is likely to be a blend of high-tech innovation and sustainable design, with a focus on individuality and self-expression. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in fashion, we can look forward to a world where clothing is not just a functional necessity, but a form of art and self-expression that inspires and delights us all.